Do you read newspapers but feel like you're not improving your English? Or maybe you start reading and give up after a few minutes because you feel it's too difficult for me. Then don't worry, you're not alone. I also struggled a lot comprehending the newspaper. Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to learn English from newspapers in the smartest and the easiest way. And I'll also share one powerful trick that can completely change how you read newspapers. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to read, and how to actually improve your English daily. First, let's understand why newspapers are so powerful. Why is it significant to read a newspaper? Well, newspapers help you learn real life English first. Second, it improves your vocabulary in a natural way. Third, you understand sentence structure by reading newspapers. And the last, you stay updated with current affairs. But there is a problem. Most learners read newspapers the wrong way. So, what do most people do? They pick up a newspaper and try to understand every word. They translate everything into their native language. And the next mistake that they do, that they read everything from start to end. And then they feel that this is too difficult. I can't do it. I can tell this all because of my personal experience. There was a time when I used to do the same. Means I used to pick up any random newspaper, any in English. That used to be an English newspaper, and I used to focus on each and every word, and I tried to figure out the meaning. Whether I did not pay attention whether I was interested in this article or not. What I was focusing on just to read and try to understand. That was a mistake. And now I want you to not to repeat. Now, let me share the best trick. First, don't read to understand everything. Then what should we do? We should read to learn something. Yes, that's the secret. Keep your entire focus on learning something new. Then try to understand 100%, but focus on learning. Now, what to learn? For instance, learn just 5 new words where you are using these words in sentences and try to grab one idea. That's it. Now, let's focus on the step by step method to read newspapers. Step number one, choose the right section. Don't start with complicated news like politics or economics. You can start with the interesting topics like entertainment, lifestyle, human interest stories. So these are the easier ones and more engaging, right? Step number two, skim first. Skim. What is skim? So skim means just quick reading, all right? So second step is skim, quick read. So read the headline and quickly go through the article without paying attention on understanding. Just just read. And don't stop at difficult words. Just try to understand that what is this article about. That's all. Step number three, highlight new words. So while you will be reading any article, definitely you will be finding some new words there. So then you need to highlight these words. Okay. Now read again and underline or note 5 to 10 new words. Don't pick too many words, just 5 to 10. Quality is more important than quantity, all right? And what I used to focus on quantity. I used to note down 20 to 25 words, and then I used to memorize the meaning of all these words without actually applying them into sentences. That was the mistake. You don't do this. Step number four, learn words in context. So don't just memorize meanings, all right? Don't try to memorize the meanings of the words. Look at how the word is used in the sentence. For example, instead of learning just the meaning of the word achieve, learn the full sentence. Okay. For example, she achieved success after years of hard work. So focus on the entire sentence, that what does this entire sentence want to convey. She achieved success after years of hard work. So this will help you speak naturally. Now you can frame your own sentence that I achieved high marks after years or after many days of hard work, like this. Step number 5, make your own sentences and don't try to copy. This is going to be really important. So take just 2 to 3 new words and make your own sentences. For example, I want to achieve my goals. She achieved her dream job. And I want you to achieve your English speaking target this year. So now you are not just reading, you are using English. Here comes step number 6. Read aloud. Do not read the newspaper in your mind, all right? You have to speak aloud. So spend 5 minutes reading the article aloud. Why? Because this will improve your pronunciation, fluency, confidence, and even if you make mistakes, it's okay. So make sure that you're reading newspaper aloud. Here is step number 7. Speak about the article after reading. Okay, do not just read and forget. Speak about it. What did you read? Ask yourself some questions like, what did I just read? And now try to explain it in English in your own words. Even simple sentences are fine. So do not bother about using the advanced vocabulary while talking about the article you read. No, avoid it. Just make simple and easy sentences. For instance, you can say, this article is about whatever it is about. It talks about dash, or I learned that, whatever you learned. Just talk about it. This step will boost your speaking skills fast. Now, I am going to share with you a daily routine, which is going to be really important for you to follow. So just follow this simple daily routine. 10 minutes reading you have to do, 5 minutes vocabulary, 5 minutes speaking, and that's just 20 minutes a day. So you have to spend just 20 minutes a day with the newspaper every day, all right? Where you will, I have already mentioned, you will be giving different timings to different sections, like to speaking, to reading, to vocabulary. So work accordingly, okay? So just 20 minutes a day you have to give while reading newspaper. Here is a bonus tip for you. Don't switch newspapers every day, okay? Stick to one newspaper for at least a month, then you can change. Why is it so? It is because it will help you get familiar with the writing style of that newspaper and the vocabulary, some common expressions that are used, especially in that newspaper. Okay. So that's the reason I want you to stick to one newspaper at least for a month or 2 months. Remember, in the beginning, it will feel difficult. You may not understand everything, but that's completely okay. Do not feel demotivated. Even if you understand just 30%, you are still learning. Consistency is more important than perfection. So be consistent. Be consistent with learning and reading a newspaper. So now that's all about learning English from newspaper. And today through this video, we learned that do not try to understand everything at once. Focus on learning small things daily and use the smart reading method. And the next thing I shared with you, that practice speaking from what you read. And if you follow this method regularly, then you will seriously see a big improvement in your English. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And tell me in the comments, Do you read newspapers daily? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.